and welcome to Studio Vlog 16. Oh my gosh, I'm so random. Yes, I look different today. If many don't know, I am a cosplayer, and I decided to kind of be myself today, but not be myself today. I'm technically Mavis from Hotel Transylvania, and I had some fangs in earlier, but you can't eat with those, so I decided to take them out just for like the rest of the day. I also had some blue contacts in, but now I'm just me. Anyway, hi everyone! I hope everyone is doing amazing. Welcome to my Studio Vlog 16. So, today is January 26th. It is 3:52 p.m. Central Time, and I just got off of work at 3:30 p.m. So, now I'm gonna work on some art stuff. I have been wanting to order from Vogue Grace for a while, and to be more specific, I've been wanting to order the custom candy keychains. So I'm gonna see if I can try to make my own design for that, because Halloween year-round stuff and Halloween candy in a candy keychain, just like, yes, please. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I'm gonna see though. We'll see what I come up with. As of right now, because there's like the little candy thingy, I'm thinking of doing the colors I do for my tent, or canopy. So I'm thinking of doing that, and yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. We'll see how that turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully. So ignore my ring light. I'm gonna start drawing. One of my most favorite things that I have made is my candy corn, my zombie candy corn polymer clay pen, and I thought that would be super cute as like a little charm that goes inside the candy charm, because it's like a little candy thing. Why is that so small? So I'm gonna draw it out and see how it looks digitally. I don't think I've ever drawn the candy corn digitally. I've only made it by hand as a polymer clay pen, so I'm excited to make it digitally. Hi everyone, it is January 29th, and I just received my first ever Notepads from Banner Buzz. I have ordered a vinyl banner from them in the past, but I really wanted to order some Notepads, so I'm so excited. They just got here. I ordered them on January 8th, so just got them right now. Sorry I'm looking like a mess. I've had really bad allergies the past couple of days, so I have just been kind of a mess recently, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna open these up and then I'll show y'all how they look, and we can then kind of review them, because that might give people some help to see if they'd like to order some notepads from Banner Buzz. I really enjoyed their vinyl banner. Their vinyl banner was amazing. Man, I'm so bad at opening stuff like this. Yeah, maybe I should get my box cutter out, right? My life might be a little bit easier. They put so much tape on this thing, like, that's all tape. Oh my gosh. How do I open this? Box cutter. I used to work at Party City for 3 years of my life. And I really needed a box cutter, so that is why I have a bunch of box cutters. Oh my goodness. Ah, seriously? Oh my gosh. So it's like they have a little tab thing I also have to pull out on top of all this tape. Oh, there we go. One more cut. Ah, there we go. Okay, there's a lot of styrofoam stuff in here. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay. Let's check it out. So it is kind of ripped, but everything was packaged nicely. And very secure. I ordered 25 of them with 25 sheets each. It looks like they put like a little cover on it on the front that displays the design you ordered. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Why am I so weak? Okay. So here they are. I'm gonna have to count them. Oh no! I'm a disaster, you guys. I'm a disaster. Okay. Here they are! So it's just the cover, but let's actually see how they look. Oh, what the heck? That's not just the cover. Is it? Yeah, that's just the cover, but the paper feels weird. What the heck? Does not feel like regular paper. I don't know if it's because it was a full inked page. It's like shiny. It's not even like regular paper. I'm very confused. I don't know. Let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So they sent me 26. Okay, which is perfect because then I get to keep one for myself. But like I said, I'm really confused because, so this is definitely a cover for it. But this does not feel like regular paper. It feels like, I don't even know what the heck it feels like. Like this is not regular paper, like to write on. So I'm gonna have to check my order and see what happened. Yeah, as of right now, I'm not too happy with it. So I'm gonna see. I could still try selling these, but it's gonna be more for like, you have to use a Sharpie on them, I feel, not a pen. It'd be fine with a Sharpie, but like that's the kind of material it is. Like it feels like, yeah, and I don't know, is it because there's that much ink on it? Like what the heck? I'm so confused. All right, these are my notepads. They're so cute. They have 25 pages each, which I am gonna double check all of that as well on all these. Yeah, I was still so excited, but I'm kind of disappointed because their banners were amazing. At least like it looks exactly how I submitted it. Like it's super clear. I do agree on that. Like the design is very clear on there and it came out super nice and crisp. It's just the paper type. I have no clue what happened, but we will see. All right. Yeah. Hello. So I'm doing my first ever art trade with my friend Audrey that lives in Canada. She's never ordered something from my shop, so I'm like so excited to send her some stuff. So business card, of course, a bookmark, a little letter pretty much saying like thank you, you know, for being my first art trade ever, and a bunch of stickers. I think I'm sending her like it's my business sticker, a tombstone sticker, a heart sticker, what else? And then 3 other ones, so 5 or 6 stickers, and then a print of my voodoo doll, which is the most popular. Everybody loves my voodoo doll, and I'm just like, I need to come up with more voodoo doll stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send it to her. I'm gonna put one of these on the actual packaging here, and then an international stamp, since I'm gonna need to send it internationally. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm making like witch hat ones. I have these tarot card ones. I have this like spider web rose. I'm also making this Halloween llama and a couple other ones. So I ended up making some Disney ones for me and my boyfriend. So those are for personal use. And they are super awesome. They're restructured. I used to make my face masks completely different, but I have restructured them over the year. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I'm making my new face masks now. I absolutely love them, and they're adjustable and super comfortable and like worth it, you know. So I'm gonna have to price them a little bit because they do require more material and they require more time than when I first started making masks, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how they look. So these are the face masks I made for myself, so these are not for sale. They are adjustable straps with a beading. They are elastic, and they also have a pocket for a HEPA filter. So I did the inside a different color, and that's how all the masks are going to be. The outside is going to be whatever design, and then they easily go on. So if you wear glasses, you could just put your glasses right on top. This adjusts, so all you got to do is pull in. So you could adjust it however you want, and this tightens up as well. So this does scrunch up if you push down. Oh. So they are knotted as well, because if you sew, you know, sometimes the thread can come off. So you just pull. So let me actually show y'all. You end up putting it on, and you just pull on the sides to scrunch it up on the sides here, and then you could tighten the back and do the same here. Scrunch, pull. And you could adjust them however you want. I made the elastic 16.5 inches. So, as you can see, is super nice. And I do wear glasses. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on so y'all can see how this looks with glasses on top. So here are my glasses. And you just stack them right on top. My glasses are not fogging up because they're right on the bridge. And you have your little loops here. But yeah, I'm gonna be making quite a bit of these, and I will be putting them in cellophane bags as well, so they're nice and sealed. That way they're like nice and clean once you get them. I did wash all the fabric, and I am being very careful on how I am taking care of them. They are already shrunk, so I do shrink all of my fabric beforehand, and it's all 100% cotton fabric in the inside and on the outside, which is better than polyester for masks. So I'm super excited to get these started, and yeah, I'm gonna see how many I can make. I have quite a bit of elastic left, but we'll see how many I can make with the scrap fabric that I have. And then I'll have to figure out my pricing because before I used to sell masks $3, $4, and $5 when, you know, nobody could get masks, and I wanted to make sure they were super affordable, which is why they were like quick masks. But since these are going to be taking a little more time, I'll probably be selling them for $10 a piece. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's get started.
One day she followed me back. There were so many other like artists that followed me back where I just support what I do and to enjoy what I do, and that also inspires me. I feel like to see that I'm doing all this hard work and seeing the positive outcome from it, like it funnels like that positive energy back in and motivates me and like inspires me to like branch out and try new things, and I don't know, just do things that I've never done before. Kind of rekindle.
Yes.
One big tradition that we kind of have on the pod is that we'd like to make a statement of anything
Alright.
I finally finished packing all of my masks. I'm very satisfied with how they came out. I made 19 of them, I believe, so I'm really excited to go ahead and sell these. Stoked. I put a lot of work into them, and I love that they're adjustable, and I have mainly mediums because it's what most people like to buy, but I have some larges, and I'll be bringing some more larges in the future as well. So we're in Texas. It is crazy town, but it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. So I'm from California, and I am used to carrying snow gear with me because I would go to the snow sometimes. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's like inches of snow out there. Okay, I'm gonna take off my mittens. Yes, I'm wearing mittens. Because I want to be able to go down and not fall on my butt. It is -4-degree winds. Like, that's pretty dang cold. Let's go down and hold the railing of snow. Maybe I should have pulled my mitten off. Oh, this smells. Oh. This is so cool. It's pretty dang deep. See if I can make it out here without slipping on my butt. Oh my gosh. This is insane for Texas. Insane. Oh my gosh, those winds are like definitely freaking cold. Wow. I never thought I'd live somewhere where it's snow. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna need a mitten. Oh. Just putting my hand in it. Oh my goodness, y'all. Those winds are no joke, but the sun is coming out. Look how beautiful that is. Oh wow. Only I would be ready for this kind of weather, huh? Wow. It's so cool. Let's take a walk. Oh my gosh, how deep is this? Oh my goodness gracious. I am pretty prepared.